Hello children, today we'll do an activity with the letter R. R says ra, 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 rainbow, ra, ra, rainbow, ra, ra, rainbow. R says ra, 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 rose, ra, ra, rose, ra, ra, rose. R says ra, 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 rain, ra, ra, rain, ra, ra, rain. R says ra, 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 rain, ra, ra, rain, ra, ra, rain. So children, today let's make raindrops with the letter R. Can you tell me what is the color of the sky? It is blue. So we'll use blue paint. To make raindrops with the letter R, we'll need blue paint, paintbrush, glue, a few cutouts of a cloud and raindrops. First, I'll paint the letter R with the blue paint. Parents, please assist your children while they do this activity. This also improves their fine motor skills as they will be holding the paintbrush with their 3 fingers, the thumb, the index finger and the middle finger. Children, paint within the lines and paint in one specific direction. See children, I've completed painting the letter R. I have used liquid paint, but you can use crayons or wooden pencils that you have at home. Now, I will stick the clouds. Do you know where the rain falls from? It falls from the clouds. See, I have these cutouts. I'm going to stick these on top. Now I'm going to stick the raindrops. Parents, please assist your children in doing these activities. These activities help enhance their creative ideas and imaginary powers. See children, how we've completed making raindrops with the letter R. Parents, please engage your children in activities like this and don't forget you can order these worksheets and materials online. For details, please check the description box below. Thank you.
I hope you loved this real video by Real Educators. Please do subscribe to our channel.